Hi guys, welcome to Step Up Lives. This video is part of the playlist of Amazon Leadership Principles interview preparation. We are focusing on each of the leadership principle one by one. If you want to look at the complete playlist, you will find that in the description box. If you're new, definitely subscribe this channel with the bell icon, as well as like this video and share it with your friends. Let's quickly get on to the next leadership principle that we are talking about and what could be the most frequently asked questions in that regard and what is the most ideal answer we'll try to address. Coming on to the next leadership principles thing, which is talking about frugality. When we talk about frugality is achievement in less. The amount of constraints that you had led to you working out a better and a new innovative solution, as well as finding the solution within this given set of constraints. It's very easy to ask for more headcount, very easy to ask a new budget and increase the fixed costs. But have you been able to perform within a set of constraints? Although Amazon may sound like a very big company, but they would be very much focused upon keeping their extra costs lower. And thereby it's very important for you to be prepared to answer questions like, tell me a time where you had to work within a limited set of resources, where you had to rely on somebody to finish your task. Where could be a situation where people turn down a lot of resources to complete your assignment. Tell me a town that you beat the competition with latest and less resources. And tell me a town you had to be frugal. It's very important that you come up with a real life example wherein you are giving them details of the frugality of the situation. The lack of resources, the lack of people, the lack of know-how can also be a big frugal constraint while completing projects. It's very important that you convey to them you are not somebody who always wants the adequate resources available to achieve a result. It's very important to indicate to them how you innovated, how you created a jugaad out of the situation to come up with a solution without the required resources. Very important. Try to convey them with details because these details make it more convincing, make it more real. So my suggestions would be come up with examples which give you real life examples of situations as well as projects in which you have worked with limited resources as well as you have been dependent on a lot of people to get your stuff done. That example will combine your efforts to get that thing in the mind of the interviewer that you're someone who can work with less resources too. And that is one important aspect that you need to communicate in this Amazon leadership principle. So if you like my advice, then definitely like that button on the video and definitely share it with your friends so that they would also know about what are the questions asked and how you need to approach these questions. You'll find the complete list in the playlist section of the description box, and you can go through all leadership principle interviews questions and probable answers. Thank you so much and bye bye.